The Ninebot KickScooter E2 Pro is designed for comfortable commute, whether it's for work, transfer, or leisure. It allows you to fully enjoy traveling with ample range and power, smooth riding experience, along with low maintenance and Apple Find My integration for peace of mind. Today, we're going to be unboxing the E2 Pro KickScooter, check out everything included, and show you how to use it and assemble it. In the box, you will find the KickScooter to assemble, the 5mm L-shaped wrench, battery charger, product and user manual, and also the warranty book. First, place the KickScooter on a flat ground and unfold the kickstand to make it stand stable. Erect the stem, align the positioning groove with the positioning screw, then slide the screw into the groove, and insert the stem into the bottom. Tighten the two screws alternately several times. Wiggle the stem to confirm it is safely secured. To fold the KickScooter, push and lift the safety button to the top and open the quick release lever. Fold the stem, align and fasten the snap hook and the buckle. Then, lift the stem to carry your scooter. When you unfold the KickScooter, disengage the snap hook from the buckle. Unfold the stem and close the quick release lever. Make sure the safety button is in the locked position before riding. Before activation, please make sure that you have downloaded the Segway-Ninebot app and log in. Charge the KickScooter for 3 seconds to activate the battery before the first use. Turn on the KickScooter. A deactivated KickScooter will keep beeping when it's turned on, and its speed will be limited to 10 km/h. Next, open the Segway-Ninebot app. Click Search Vehicle and pair with your KickScooter. Press the power button according to the app instructions to confirm the Bluetooth connection. Then, follow the instructions to watch the tutorial video. After the tutorial is complete, click to finish activating the KickScooter. For safety purposes, always wear a helmet or other protective gear when you're riding. Power on the KickScooter, and then tuck in the kickstand. Kick off to start. When your riding speed reaches 3 km/h, press down the throttle and the motor will initiate. Press the throttle to speed up. To slow down, release the throttle or press the brake lever. To turn, slightly shift the handlebar to the left or to the right. Slow down your speed before getting off. Put down the kickstand to park the KickScooter. There are 3 speed modes. You can switch speed modes by pressing the power button twice. The speed mode will appear on the display. E mode is eco mode at 15 km/h. D mode is the standard mode at 20 km/h. It is also the default mode. S mode is sports mode with a top speed of 25 km/h. The E2 Pro also comes with walk mode, which lets you walk with your scooter with less effort. For walk mode, the max speed is 5 km/h. The headlight will always be flashing on, and the taillight is always flashing and cannot be turned off. The E2 Pro is equipped with headlight, taillight, and direction indicators. To turn off the headlight, press the power button once. Press the left button or the right button to switch direction indicator. Then, the indicator will flash regularly. It can be turned off by pressing the corresponding button again. The taillight is lit up automatically when pressing the brake lever. The E2 Pro works with Apple Find My. With a global Find My network of hundreds of millions of iOS devices, you can easily track the whereabouts of your KickScooter by using Apple Find My tracking. Before using this feature, please make sure to download the Find My app on your iPhone. Then you can simply activate the Find My function on the Segway-Ninebot app in the Segway-Ninebot lab. Choose the Locating KickScooter, then agree to use the function and start pairing it with your KickScooter. Then you will automatically jump to the Find My app, where then you can add an item and then give your scooter a cute name. After that, whenever you need to locate your KickScooter, you can do so quickly and conveniently via the Find My app on your iPhone. For charging, open the charge port cover and insert the charge plug. Insert the power cord and plug into a power supply. While charging, the indicator light on the charger shows red. Once the scooter is fully charged, the charger indicator turns green. Remove the charger and close the charge port cover when finished. When the battery power is under 30% and the scooter is not powered on for 7 consecutive days, the battery will enter into sleep mode. If this happens, your scooter cannot be powered on. Please charge it for 3 seconds to activate the battery. Unscrew the valve cap, connect the bump to the tire valve stem to inflate the tires. It is recommended to inflate the tires to around 45 psi.